Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you some of Madam Glam's October's collection. So this month's destination is Boston. And the name for this collection is called Boston Gel Party. So there's 8 colours in this collection. And the 4 that I've chosen is Optimistic, Beantown, Cream Donut, and Check Yourself. There's some really beautiful nudes in this collection, guys. I shall leave the links in my description box along with my discount code, which you'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen is GG30. If you use that at checkout, you'll save yourself a massive 30% off. Like all Madam Glam gels, these are also vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil-free, and hema-free. So they're really, really good quality gel polishes and beautiful to use. Amazing to use, actually. I love using these gel polishes. They're just so creamy and opaque. So I'm going to swatch them very quickly. And then I've got a design that I want to do with these. I've had this design in mind for a little while now. So these colours are the perfect opportunity. So the first one is going to be Cream Donut. Ooh, I like this one. I think this is probably going to be my favourite. This is a really pretty light nude, but it's also got a slight hint of pink in it. So I can see me using this a lot for nail beds. Yeah, I like that. I really like that. Gorgeous colour, look at that. That is beautiful. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be using that. That is definitely going to be one of my go-to nail bed colours for sure. Madam Glam gel polishes cure in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. Then we've got Check Yourself. Yeah, and that's a really pretty light nudie colour, but that's got more of a grey tone to it, where the other one had more of a pink tone. Look at that. Beautiful colour. Yes, I can see me using that a lot as well. Next one is Optimistic. That's a really pretty dusky pink sort of colour. Nice light dusky pink. Beautiful. And then last one is Beantown. That's nice as well. I don't think I've got a shade like that. I'd say it's kind of in between a dusky pink and a really light brown. Not really sure what colour I'd call that, but I like it. It's pretty. So I'm just going to top coat all of those and then we'll come back and take a look at the colours. So there we are, guys. That's them all swatched. That's them with a shiny top coat, and that's them matte. Oh, look at them matte. I really like this Optimistic in matte. Really like that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Cream Donut, I can see me using that a lot for a nail bed colour. Check Yourself probably as well. I can see me using that a lot as a base colour. In fact, I can see me using all of them a lot. Probably not so much Beantown, it's not really my kind of colour. But There's many a times that I've needed that sort of colour, so it will definitely come in handy. They're going to be great for autumn, aren't they? Proper autumn colours. They're super creamy, super opaque, just like all my other Madam Glam gel polishes. And they are all one coat as well, guys. One coat. Very, very rare. I need to do 2 coats when I'm using Madam Glam gels. They're just so pigmented. I really like them. So I'm going to get set up and then I'm going to do a design using a couple of the colours. So I shall pop back in once I'm all set up. So I'm going to start off by giving all the nails a coat of cream donut.
I can't be nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
So now I'm going to take some of Check Yourself and I'm going to pop that on my palette. Pulled out a liner brush and I'm going to paint a smile line.
Would it make you feel better if I save the songs for you when you feel down and better? Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo.
So now I'm going to use the Madam Glam dotting tool and we're going to do some leopard print. I'm going to pop a bit of Beantown on my palette. I'm just going to paint some regular squiggles. Like that. Give that a cure for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to use the Madam Glam's black gel paint and I'm just going to, using the dotting tool again, just going to outline animal print like that. Now you don't want to outline these fully, you want to be leaving little gaps, like you can see what I'm doing here. And then just do the odd little one like that. just like that. And that Madam Glam gel paint cures in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. So I've pulled out these stickers and I have got to use one of these. Look at that, guys. That is so cute. So I want to put that on here. So now I'm going to put a couple of these metal sliced Playboy bunnies on these nails. And to do that, I'm going to stick them into base coat. So I'm just going to stick a teeny tiny bit there. Like that. So I'm going to use my new LED stamper and we're going to stick these down. Like that. And now I'm going to give them all a coat of the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them.
And then pop them in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So they've all been top coated. I weren't sure what I wanted to do on this nail. I think I'm going to do some 4-prong stars. So I'm going to be using the Madam Glam's black gel paint and the dotting tool. I'm going to do dot there, dot there, dot there, dot there. And I'm just going to do the odd little random dots dotted about. Like that. And I've got a detailer brush and I'm going to pull up. So then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So now we are going to put some crystals on. I want a little corner cluster there. I want a little corner cluster there. Like that. So I'm going to quickly pop them in the lamp. And on this middle nail I just want to do just a little bit down the middle. Then pop those in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So that's them all finished, guys. What do you think? I'm really, really happy with them. I absolutely love them. I think them crystals just finished them off perfect. Yeah, I really, really like them. What do you guys think? In fact, I wish I had done them on my nails now. I would love them on my nails. So let's take a quick look at the swatches one more time. So we've got Cream Donut, Check Yourself, Optimistic and Beantown. I really, really like them. This Cream Donut is absolutely stunning. Really pretty nail bed colour, isn't it? It will definitely be one of my go-to nail bed colours, without a doubt. So that is the swatches. I shall list everything that I've used today in my description box below, guys, along with my Madam Glam website link and my discount code. I want to say a big thank you to Madam Glam for sending these gels for us to check out. Thank you so much. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.